What's up, y'all? Today we're going to talk about how to size your nails from home. You do need a few items, and you can find them in your home or you can find them at a dollar store. A tape measure, or you could use a ruler. You can use a sticky pad or a piece of paper for your sizing, a pencil, a Sharpie, and some Scotch tape. So if you don't have these items at home, you can always find them at a local dollar store. Over to your left is the sizing guide and how to measure. You can match these numbers as you go along watching me on how I measure my nails. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the measuring tape. You're going to use the millimeter side. I'm peeling off the gold tip so it can fully measure it correctly. I get my Scotch tape. I'm going to pull enough out to where it could go over my nail bed. You're going to match it sidewall to sidewall, but not cover the full nail. So I'm having to do this upside down based on the way my camera is angled, but we're going to get it together. So here I am readjusting it. Now we're going to use the Sharpie and mark side walls to side walls. You're going to take the tape that you just used on your nail and start it at the first mark of the tape measure. So originally I counted the number 13, which is a size 4, but that's not average for me. Normally I'm a size 2 or a 3. So the nail sizes are numbered from 0 to 9 based on measures 17 millimeters to 8 millimeters. Here is where I write my nail sizes, and you'll see me write this down as I go through this. So I wrote down 4. Now we're going to go to the index, and I'm only going to do the left hand for now. So I measured my index finger to be a size 8, but that's unusual for me. So I wrote a size 7 instead. My pinky finger was right, size 9. Yeah, that's average for any little finger. So here's what I wrote down, but I had to make a few changes after I sized my nails with the false nails. The false nails is another way to size your nails, which is the sizing kit. Link in my bio. Here's the example of my index finger. It was too big. I was a size 8, not a size 7. Trust your measurements, y'all, because I sure didn't. It's been a minute.